guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if this is not your first time here. Exactly like the title indicates, you already know what is going on. I'm going to be showing you the quickest, the easiest, and the best way to do your makeup in a short period of time. This is practically a daily makeup video, but I don't want to title it daily makeup because why am I telling you guys my daily makeup? Who knows me? Nobody. That aside, let's start.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Loyalty's got warranties inside my DNA. I got power, points, and change inside my DNA. I got hustle, no ambition, flow inside my DNA.
So normally before you create like an everyday makeup routine, you're gonna have to know what kind of look you aspire to have at the end. Do you want a no makeup look? Do you want a I have makeup on but it's minimal and cutesy look? I'm going to show you the best way I do my own makeup. You're going to have to know the point you want to focus on. I always focus on my eyebrows, evening out my skin tone, and then lip gloss. Whatever your own is, you can build your routine around that. Let's start. So I always start with my brows by drawing a line. I focus it on the bottom because as you can see, I actually have hair here and I don't have hair here. Then I brush it down, then I draw a line tracing the up part of the brow. Like that. Then I fill it in. Let me time myself to show you guys that I'm actually not taking a lot of time on this makeup look. So I just started it. That's it, and that literally took like less than 2 minutes. The next one, same process for the next one, just following the natural line. You have to ensure that your pencil isn't blunt, because if it's blunt, you're going to just create a smug look and it's not going to be sharp. Trace the up part, fill it in, and then brush it up. And then we're done with my brows. If you're also lacking a little bit in the front of your brow and you want to have a full brow, I suggest to just follow the natural line of what you can see and then just fill it in. I'm using the Blend Pro Concealer to conceal. You don't want to put anything too bright while doing a quick makeup routine because light colors take more time to blend. I take the concealer to carve out under the brows, then I blend it out a little bit, doing the same with the other brow. So I add a little bit on my eyelids to make it brighter. So then we have this. I always love to use a primer, so I definitely advise if you are using foundation, definitely use a primer. I'm using the LA Pride Face Primer. I'm using the BB Baby Skin Foundation. Ensure you get a foundation that is really close, if not perfectly your skin shade, because like I said, the lighter it is, the more blending you're gonna have to do. Take very little. I'm using my fingers because I feel like it spreads easier. And take whatever you use to blend. You can also use a brush to blend and just blend it out. I'm blending on my eyelids to ensure my face is on the same page. Like this. Next thing you want to do is quickly get your concealer again and apply a little under your eyes. It's going to give your face some kind of brightness, like yes,
I'm awake.
You get. Sometimes people that don't have spots on their face, they just skip the foundation and go straight to concealer. Or if you don't want to cover up your spots on your face, you can add just the concealer. Blend away, blend away. When blending, we want to create like a V, because when you blend in that way, give your face like a lift. So yeah, I am blending like so. I'm also going to add a little bit lighter concealer for more brightness. Get your setting powder. You can also use compact powder, but you definitely need to set the concealer on your face. If not, it's gonna crease. Also note to apply your setting powder in this same V shape. I'm concealing a line on my nose and putting setting powder because I want it a little bit more defined. You don't need to do this, you can definitely skip the step, but I like to do it. As you can see, I did not apply concealer here and here, but I added powder because just by adding powder, it's still going to give it a little bit of brightness in that area. So we're going to move on to our eyes now. I like to do a quick little eyeliner and mascara method that's going to make my eye look brighter and a little bit longer. Let me show you. Get your eyeliner, liquid eyeliner please. Thank you. So I simply draw a line and try to fill it in a little bit. This will add more depth to your eye. Like that. Have you already seen the difference? Same for the other eye. Then now I'm going to apply mascara to bring out our eyes. Some people don't believe in mascara. I'm just laughing at them. Have you seen the difference? Should I come closer? Exactly. And I don't even have eyelashes. Let us remove this powder from our face. If you did not use setting powder, then honey, you have already skipped this step. But for us that use setting powder, we're going to use our compact powder that is in our shade and just blend it away. So basically now you can just add lip gloss and you're done. But if you want a little bit more flavor, you need to get a fluffy brush and some blush. Call me Mr. Rimali. Shut up! Add your blush in the same direction you did your concealer. Me, I'm adding mine over my nose because I am a teenager that's been highly influenced by TikTok. Wow. You see the contouring and all that excess stuff? We didn't do that, and we already have a snatched face. Now this next step, you can skip it obviously, but honey, if you want to shine to the heavens, you're gonna need to get highlighter. The points to highlight is the tip of your nose, the bridge of your nose, and your cheek. Add it a little bit here. Lastly, we're just going to need our gloss. Yeah, I don't want your lips to look like the Sahara. I have always wanted to make my own lip gloss. I have always wanted to. And that is it. It took us that time 21 minutes 46 seconds. Now if we extract all the errors I was making, all the pause and all the explanations I was making, this makeup look is particularly going to take you like 15 minutes start to finish. You're welcome. To round off with this video, let me give you guys a quick styling tip that I always use to pull this look together. The first thing is accessories. I always go for these exact same earrings. Next thing is get a hairstyle that flatters your face. For me, it's a high ponytail, so let's wear a high ponytail. Simple accessories, simple hair, simple makeup, you're ready to go. Whichever friend you're gonna meet, they're not gonna be angry that you're late because you are not late. Or if you're not going out like me, you can go ahead and take your pictures. Me, I'm going to go take my pictures now. Definitely follow me on my Instagram account if you want to see the pictures I took. Bye.